So today I'm not going to show you guys any new products. Today I'm going to show you what I already used up. This is going to be my empties video. I have a ton of products right over here which I finished up. Few products I really loved, few products was like okayish for me, and I'm gonna let you guys know everything, whether I will repurchase it or not, what I think about them. So I have a bunch of products right over here with me. Let's get started. Most of these products are body care, skincare and hair care. Here I have the first product with me. This is my favorite cleansing oil which I'm definitely going to repurchase. This is the Mixun Bean Cleansing Oil. I have tried so many cleansing oils, but I don't know, this is my favorite one. It is so mild, so gentle, removes every single makeup from your face, not only like your normal makeup, your waterproof makeup, high coverage, full coverage makeup, everything. This is going to remove every single thing from your face. Even if you are not using makeup, just for your daily double cleansing, you can use this product. It is so good. I really love this Korean cleansing oil. As you can see, I still have some left. So this is a 95 ml bottle which will last you for a really long time. If you are double cleansing with this product, I will say massage it gently on your face for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you will see how beautifully it will remove every single gunk and blackheads and everything from your skin, and it will give you a very soft finish. I just love how gentle this is. This product does not burn my eyes, which is the number one thing which I'm always concerned about when I pick up any cleansing oil. When you are rubbing your eye makeup, look, it can burn your eyes and it's like the worst feeling ever. So this is not a product like that. You can remove your eye makeup with it, you can remove your mascara, every single thing, and you just need 2 pumps and that's pretty much it. Maybe not even 2 pumps, just 1 pump will be enough for you. And yeah, this is my favorite product. The packaging is beautiful, the pump is amazing, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it. I think this is available on Tira, so I'm going to purchase this one from Tira. Product is this hair care product. I think I talked about this on my Instagram. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you know about this. This is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Leave-In Treatment. Again, a product which I'm going to repurchase. This is a beautiful leave-in treatment and the best-selling one. If you are looking for a leave-in treatment for your split ends, for your damaged hair, this is the product for you. And this is so good. I think I have used this every single day. My favorite part for my hair care routine is leave-in conditioners, because I don't wash my hair every single day, so I need a leave-in conditioner, you know, just to make my hair a little bit more manageable and soft. Also, I have noticed a difference. My hair was feeling very damaged after use. This contains 5% bonding care complex. So if you have damaged hair, this is the perfect product for you. Even if you have color treated hair, and if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner, this is the perfect one for you. Does not feel greasy, does not feel oily, and does not, you know, make your hair feel dry or very hard. Sometimes the leave-in conditioner can make your hair feel very hard and very scrunchy, which is not the best feeling, and I don't like it. But this is not a product like that. Little amount goes a long way, and you just need to apply it all over your lens and you are good to go. This is not going to give you that oily, greasy feeling. And also you can style with this product if you are making a sleek bun, or maybe if you are, you know, if you're making a braid or something, you can definitely do it. This also gives you heat protection. By the way, this is not a heat protecting product, but gives you a heat protection for up to 230 degrees. One product which I am not going to repurchase, and I think I don't know about this product. I have used it for a few months, but after that, this was not for my skin. This product actually gave me so much of redness and so much of acne, so much of breakout. So that's the reason I stopped using this product, and I don't think I'm going to repurchase it again because I haven't seen any difference as such. This is the Beauty of Joseon. By the way, what product is this? This is the Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. It's a good product if you are a person you love rice products for your skin, then this is the product for you. Skin started breaking out, and I was like, my skin was reacting to this product, reacting to anything rice. I have another product which is again a rice plus ceramides type of product. So anything rice, my skin was reacting to it. This is the product. This is not a bad product. It's a good toner if you want to make your skin glowy. If you have used Rise products before and it suits you, then this is the perfect product for you. It's going to give you a very beautiful glow, healthy glow to your skin. Does not really repair or does anything else, but it just gives you a beautiful glow. For that, you can use this toner, but I don't think it's worth the money. There are so many other toners which are so good and much more affordable than this. This is the Rise product that I was talking about. This is from Manua. This is a good product, I'm telling you. A very good rice cleanser. Use this daily, but again, I don't know what happened. My skin started reacting with rice and I stopped using this. I think I almost finished up this product and I'm not going to repurchase it again. Just need to take out a little bit of powder and then some water, mix it up. It will bring a foam. It will create a foam and then you can clean your face with it. It's a very nice exfoliator, but I don't know how to explain this. But there is a very weird slipperiness to this and it feels very weird. You have to wash your face again and again and again to, you know, wash off the slipperiness from your face. It feels very weird and it's very time consuming as well, so I don't think it's worth your money. There are tons of beautiful cleansers in the market you can use. My favorite one is the Road Pineapple Cleanser and I'm definitely going to repurchase it. It's very expensive, but I don't know, my skin just loves the Road Pineapple Cleanser and it's worth your money. I'm almost done with that cleanser. It's not here with me, it's in my bathroom, so I'm just mentioning it because that is my favorite one and my daily cleanser. It also removes your makeup, so I think it's worth your money. Another hair care product from Kerastase. This is their Genesis mask. This is a good product. If you're looking for that high-end type of mask, go for this one. I still have some left which I'm going to use today because I will wash my hair today. Anyways, this is a good hair mask. Will I repurchase it? Maybe yes, I will, because this is very beautiful. I have used Briogeo mask before. Not my favorite one. I'm currently using Way mask, which is again a really good one. It's more of like a hair treatment as well. And this is again very beautiful. Makes your hair very soft, very smooth, and gives you that extra volume at the same time. If you are not very sure which mask you want to use and you're very confused with the Kerastase range, then I will say this is the one for you. It's very beginner friendly and it's perfect for your hair wash day. And if you have curls like me or maybe wavy hair, this is the perfect product for you. It's not for curly or wavy hair, but it does give you a little bit of volume, which I really love. Very beautiful. The smell is so amazing. Packaging is again absolute favorite, and wow, the smell is so. If you are not into strong smells, then this is not the product for you. And if you love a smelly, fragrancy type of, not smelly, if you love a fragrancy type of hair mask, then this is the one for you because your hair is gonna smell good all day. This product from Kerastase, again, my favorite one. I purchased it with the mask only. This is the Kerastase Genesis Defense. This is actually a thermal protection and heat protection, and I love this one. If you are looking for a thick, creamy hair protection, then this is the one for you. But if you're looking for a mist, like a hair protection mist, then this is not the product. It's more of like a cream. If you use it too much, your hair is going to feel oily. So make sure you're using just the right amount of product. Does not give you any extra difference. I haven't seen anything different after using a straightener or blow dryer, and I haven't seen any difference as such, but does work as a heat protection and I really love it. Maybe I will purchase it, I'm not sure, but this is a good product. It's quite expensive for 2,400 rupees. It's a nice product and it's more of like anti-hair fall leave-in conditioner as well, plus a heat protection. Oh my god, how many hair care products do I have? This is another one, the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. Does this product work? Yes, but it depends. Now, if you have very severe problem of hair fall, I don't think this product is going to work. This product works when you have very slight amount of hair loss or maybe a little bit of hair fall, this is the product for you. But for extreme hair fall conditions, this is not the product. Sometimes and it also depends on person to person. A product which will work for me may not work for you. This worked for me. I have purchased so many bottles of this. I love this product. If you use too much, your scalp is going to feel very oily and greasy, which I hate about this product, but I still purchase it. I just take a very tiny dot. I section my hair really well so that I use the serum only on my scalp and not on my hair, or else my hair is going to feel very, very oily and greasy. This is a very highly concentrated product for your hair, but it's very beginner friendly at the same time. So if you are a beginner, if you're looking for any hair density type of product, I think go for this one. Actually makes some good hair care and skincare products. So if you are looking for that hair density type serum, and if you are new to it, you are just a beginner, then I think this is the one for you. Body wash, I actually finished up this one. This smells so tropical, so good, and it just makes your skin feel very soft as well, does not make your skin dry. And I just love the smell. Smells like oceans and bananas and sea, beach, so tropical. I love it so much, especially the color yellow is my favorite one. I don't know, I never say that yellow is my favorite color, but I'm always attracted to the color yellow. This is made out of 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic, which is a great thing. And yeah, it's very, very beautiful, not a very overpowering smell. And I purchased this one from Amazon, by the way. I just love it so much. I have used it a lot. And yeah, if you ever purchase this one, they have some other variety. They have so many different varieties, and I think you will love this product because of the smell. It's not gonna stay for a long time, but it's not overpowering as well. Something which you will love in your shower while you are taking your bath, and if you're having your me time, you will love this product. Then I have another shower oil, which I'm gonna purchase the bigger bottle because I love this one. This is from L'Occitane, and this is their shower oil, which is the viral shower oil. Everyone loves it, and it's their OG shower oil that they have. So this is the one. It's so good. If you have dry skin problem like me, like dry body like me, then this is the product you're gonna love. It's so beautiful, smells amazing, gives you a very luxurious feel, and it's very beautiful. I will say the texture is nice. It's a shower oil. Once you massage it all over your skin, it's gonna turn into this very lightweight thin layer of cream, and it just makes your skin feel so good. If you love shower oils, then this is the one for you. Also, this smells so beautiful, so comfy. And I don't know how to explain this. This is the original L'Occitane smell, and I just love it so much. They also have a hand cream, which I'm loving currently. I'm gonna finish it up, and I'm gonna purchase the bigger size one because I'm in love with this one. Another product which is well loved, and I think I'm gonna get this is the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Unscented Hand Cream. And this is not just only a hand cream. I use this as my foot cream, my elbow cream. It's so good. I purchased this one from Amazon. This is very lightweight, very sheer, does not feel thick or heavy. I still have some left, which I'm gonna finish up, and this is unscented. If you're looking for unscented hand creams, then this is the one for you. Sometimes I don't love scented products. Sometimes for me, I just want just a product just to whenever I'm sleeping, or whenever I'm just I'm not in a mood for a scent. I love this type of product. This is unscented and gives you a very beautiful, soft, supple finish to your skin, and does not feel greasy, does not feel oily, and does not give you that tacky feeling. Especially we hate that during summers. This is very, very nice. Now I'm going to talk about a perfume. This is from Kayali, and this is Yum Pistachio one. This scent is nice. I love how it smells. It's very summery, very vanilla type smell, very sweet at the same time, but in a matured way. But I don't like how it stays. Like after some time, it just smells weird, and I just don't like it. It's a good perfume if you're looking for that vanilla sweet type of a perfume, but in a, like, you know, matured way. Does not smell pistachio to me. I just cannot smell the pistachio at all. But it's more of like a vanilla type perfume. But I don't like how it sits on my skin and how it, you know, stays, how it smells after a long day. So that's the reason I'm not gonna purchase it. I still have some left, and yeah, just a little bit will last you for a long time. It's not a very long lasting perfume, but yeah, it's gonna last you for a few hours. But it's gonna last you for a few hours. That's pretty much it, guys. This was my Empties video. I have all the products right over here. I hope you guys really enjoyed, because I think you guys also want me to film these type of videos where I actually end up, what products I actually end up using, because you guys always see me try out new makeup products and you want me to talk about the old ones which I'm using constantly. So make sure to leave your comments down below if you want more such videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.